Welcome viewers to Martin Private Studio. And today we're going to be showing you another great breath support tool. But first, I want to give a hefty shout out to the studio. You guys have been holding us down while we get settled out here in Texas. The studio gets exclusive as well as premiere content a week before it drops on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, guys, check out the link on the side or it'll be on the description below. So what tool are we going to be using today for breath support? Well guys, grab yourself a sturdy cup. We're going to be using the back of that cup. Grab yourself a tennis ball. Grab yourself a sturdy mug. We'll use the back of the mug, of course. Well, anything that's around the size of a tennis ball or the back of a cup or a mug, you're good to go. Let's get started. Step 1, find a wall. That's right, any wall in the house. If you're at school, go to a practice room, the bathroom. It's not the most mobile tool to practice with, but I guarantee you the efficiency is on par with the earlier breath tools that we gave you. Step 2, center the object on the pliable section right under the chest plate. Step 3, lean on the wall with the centered object. Step 4, take a breath. Now you should be feeling diaphragmatic expansion. Just to be sure, make sure that your chest is upright and make sure your shoulders are relaxed. No point in this exercise if you're building tension in your shoulders, guys. We just want to focus on the diaphragmatic expansion. Though I've never mentioned it, there are 3 steps to singing efficiently. First step is breathing. Second step, space. And lastly, the resonators. In every sense of the word, this exercise is the most efficient exercise that teaches you how to put this machine together. If you can stay afloat on this object, you can sing just about anything because you're at maximum output for support. So if you're a weekend kind of singer, oh, I'm blinded by the light. If you like Willow, meet me at a spot for the ride. If you like Lil Nas X, yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. Or if you just sing opera. This tool, I believe, is the most efficient variant of the original tool, which is just laying down and putting books on your diaphragm. So once again, guys, I do want to thank you guys so much for watching, supporting, like, comment, subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're on Patreon and you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing, but you should have already hit the subscribe button, also the like button. But that being said, guys, thank you so much again for the support. And as always, it takes time, effort, patience to be great. Give this exercise a go, and I'll see you at the next video. Peace.